Prepare yourself for a powerful dare, because you are about to see up close the most massive, powerful, and ferocious forestry machines on the planet. Get ready, because you will witness these mighty machines in action as an invincible force of nature. The first day of the campaign to remove the 70-meter-tall mountain ash tree in the Dandenong Ranges was exciting. The tree had to be cut down because a large tree nearby had fallen, exposing its roots and causing danger. In the video, the tree can clearly be seen falling. The team worked brilliantly, especially Kev Price, the skillful rigging operator, turning a difficult task into an impressive performance. This is the Tiger X822 Deller Buncher, a true steed perfectly adapted to the harsh terrain of Michigan's Upper Peninsula. In particular, do not ignore the outstanding power of the Tiger Cat 5702 HOTW, a machine capable of felling the largest hardwood and softwood trees with incredible accuracy. Wow! This machine is truly a brave warrior, with such tremendous torque that I'm surprised the Earth hasn't fallen out of its orbit yet. When good trees rebel, they fall in unexpected directions, turning safety into danger in the blink of an eye. This is a classic example of misjudging the situation. Just a moment of inattention is enough to lead to disaster. Admire this exciting model, the Bell 8000 circular saw firewood processing machine. With 125 horsepower and a powerful motor, it cuts through logs like a hot knife through butter, creating perfect pieces of firewood at incredible speeds. This machine is truly the turning point for any professional wood-burning operation. This is no joke, people. Forestry Disc C Mulcher is a true game changer. It crushes 4-inch material like nothing and handles 8-inch trees with ease. With replaceable teeth and a powerful motor, this machine is ready to face any challenge. You have to see it with your own eyes to believe it. SIS Polar Euro 5 wood transporting machine, ready to face all challenges on difficult terrain. Are you ready to test its power? Look at this vehicle that they replaced to do the job of uprooting trees. Hey guys, Norwood really outdid themselves with the OS27 line. This sawmill is a game changer, combining top features in one economical package. You'll get legendary Norwood quality and performance without the cost. This is a hard-working device designed to stand the test of time. Trust me, from a long-time professional, this machine is steel. The D8 bulldozer, while an engineering marvel, has become a symbol of unsustainable land use. Its power to deforest for agriculture has caused biodiversity loss, soil erosion, and climate change. In 2022, we will lose 12.7 million hectares of irreplaceable forests. It is necessary to find a balance between agricultural needs and environmental protection. The Valmet 84.3 Transport offers an outstanding advantage in logging, thanks to its excellent off-road capabilities. This not only increases uptime, but also reduces cycle times, even in harsh conditions. The result is significantly improved productivity and profits. Investing in this machine is a strategy that brings a clear competitive advantage. At Orvakovsky, Lep Verda, the wood was transported by truck to the release point, then lowered into the water and assembled into a raft about 30 meters long and 10 meters wide. These rafts will be floated on the 250 km waterway towards the southern Siamaya areas such as Joutseno and Lapinranta, serving the wood processing industry. Oh my gosh, that Charles homemade wood chipper I just saw is amazing! I didn't expect he could create such a masterpiece from seemingly scrap materials. Jason, a veteran tree cutter from Humco, shared that working in deep forests with difficult terrain is always challenging. He emphasized the importance of wearing adequate protective equipment such as helmets, gloves, and anti-slip boots. Jason also advises that, to complete the job safely, it is necessary to work with an experienced team and always pay attention to weather conditions, as they greatly affect safety and productivity. Oh no! In New Zealand, timber transport must comply with strict regulations in the Road Transport and Vehicle Dimensions Code 2016, which differ markedly from European standards such as those in Scandinavia. Key changes include maximum length, axle load, and stability requirements, which require the use of specialized equipment and operating procedures unique to the forestry industry. The Dopstat D-Double U3060 chipper is truly a legend in the machinery industry. Like a Swiss Army knife, this machine stands out for its ability to handle everything from heavy waste to green debris, thanks to its reliable hydraulic system and sturdy steel teeth. The quick-change drum system helps the machine operate smoothly, even when faced with difficult challenges. That's true teamwork. Like a perfectly oiled machine, horse and handler are in rhythm with each other on the forest floor, with no interruptions, just absolute efficiency and flow. No loud engines, just absolute silence, helping to keep nature undisturbed. It is a perfect model of harmony between humans and nature. It couldn't be more wonderful. Woodland Firewood Processor is a machine that completely changes the way firewood is processed. The machine quickly turns logs into regular firewood, saving time and effort. With its automatic system and speedy wood processing unit, the machine operates optimally in both small workshops and large forests, increasing productivity and reducing risks. This is the ideal tool for speeding up firewood processing while still ensuring quality and safety. In the Dubrava area of Yekaterinburg, tree stump removal work is carried out by a professional excavator. With outstanding power, the excavator quickly digs and removes stubborn stumps, clearing the ground quickly. This is the perfect partnership between the TS Manufacturing 6 double-band saw, combined with the Magnum LT truck system and Brownsville-style wood rotator, providing excellent power and stability. With a space of 40 and a weight capacity of 10,000 lbs, this system easily handles large logs, while the Lewis Setworks control system provides precise cutting and increased productivity without sacrificing accuracy.